When placing an apparel order, most buyers focus on three numbers: the unit price, the total quantity, and the delivery timeline. This chart reveals the missing variable. Packaging condition dictates your actual profit margins and how fast your inventory moves. Intact cargo means the goods are packed exactly as they left the factory. The cartons are sealed, original polybags are untouched, and every hang tag and barcode is in place for complete traceability. Loose cargo refers to garments pulled from their original packaging. They might be mixed across different cartons or repacked long after they left the export dock. Buying loose cargo transfers labor costs and operational friction directly to you. The supplier passes the preparation work that should have been done at the factory onto your warehouse team. Goods lose their intact status through poor handling, often beginning with extended warehouse storage, how per Coinlink. Then come the brewhouse. Multiple inspections mean curtains are opened, handled, and rarely resealed to the original factory standard. If you are dealing with a partial shipment, leftover pieces frequently get bundled together by a third party, breaking up the original size and color runs. Original cartons also get sliced open at customs checkpoints. They are often hastily repacked without the proper sealing or care required for formal retail. In global apparel sourcing, every handling point adds risk. The longer the transit, the more likely your intact goods become loose by the time they arrive, inflating your final landed cost. Verifying the condition of the cargo before you pay is a standard operational requirement, rather than the sign of distrust. First, request an unedited video walkthrough of the warehouse. You need to see the exact sealed curtains you are buying in their current location. Next, match the physical goods to the original shipping documents, the packing list, the bill of lading, and the commercial invoice. After reviewing the documents, request a random curtain to be opened on view for a live unscripted physical insertion. Take a photo from the line session and compare the inner packaging against the original factory specification, thereby compliant line by line. At the seller as it eats or purchase in any state of this verification versus, treat it as a critical red flag. Enforcing this rigorous cream verticals use the leverage you need. If the goods are misrepresented, you have the proof required to negotiate heavy discounts. This comparison matrix maps the physical condition of the cargo directly to the skin. At the top, we have 100% intact cargo. For fully intact RO, you pay the standard or premium rate. That premium ensures the goods move straight through shipping container to retail sheds with zero lie. Moving to Tier 2, intact cartons missing hang tags or barcodes typically command a 5% to 15% discount below the standard rate. Taking that minor initial discount on the invoice requires you to spend immediate capital and operational time retagging everything before those garments can enter formal retail channels. Tier 3 covers loose cargo, where garments are repacked but still in good condition. This carries a significant 20% to 35% upfront discount. This trade-off demands extensive warehouse space and dedicated manual labor to count, verify, and sort every piece by size and color. Finally, the bullet row shows fully loose, mixed sizes with zero documentation. These sell at 40% or more off the standard breed. This tier comes with massive business risk. You face potential unsellable inventory, a loss of traceability, and a practical impossibility of fulfilling formal retail contracts. Maximum unit price savings always equals maximum operational friction. The drop in price afflicts the intensive labor you are now obligated to perform. Align your sourcing strategy with your actual operational capabilities. It starts at one question. Do you have cheap flavor? If you are an active wholesale or retail buyer, speed to market is critical. You must pay the premium for intact goods around tight turnaround margins. If time-poor retailers try to absorb the friction of sorting loose goods just to save on the invoice, the resulting delays will eat their margins. If you're a Stocklot buyer with access to cheap labor, taking a 30 to 40% discount on loose cargo is your highest margin play. Profiting from loose cargo requires a specific logistical infrastructure that can handle the intensive manual labor involved. Never accept a verbal confirmation in text status for shipments above a few hundred pieces. Enforce clear written terms regarding the packaging condition. Put it directly on the per forma invoice before you transfer any funds. If the documentation is missing or cannot be verified, automatically drop your offer to the loose price here and budget for your own domestic repacking. Packaging condition dictates your total landed cost and your inventory velocity. This commercial decision determines whether your business drives or gets. When placing an apparel order,